Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, my name is Noel. Welcome back and welcome if you're new here. Thank you so much for your endless support, for my returning subscribers and for my new subscribers. Thank you so much for joining this family. Guys, I had gone to up country, or let's say at the countryside, and that's why I haven't been shooting. I just wanted to rest. So without further ado, what we are going to do today is I'm going to prepare matoke, and I wanna deep fry some chicken that I boiled from home, of course, and yeah, matoke, these green bananas, of course. I'm gonna peel them and then I'm going to like fry it, and then the chicken, and then I'm gonna make also this smoothie because the bananas are really ripening, because I came with a lot of bananas, and the remaining ones, you can see they are really ripening and I don't want them to get spoiled. So I'm gonna blend them, of course, to a smoothie, and thereafter I'm gonna fold the clothes that I cleaned, washed yesterday. So guys, I don't want this introduction to be long. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do so. I'll appreciate. And thank you so much for sharing my videos, liking and commenting. Turn on the post notification bell in case new videos arise. You'll be the first person to be notified. So guys, without further ado, let's jump into the video.
Don't push back. Don't push back. Conscience under pressure.
Alright, so I can see this. As you can see, this water, and this is the chicken that I want to deep fry, and of course tomatoes, and I'm gonna use the onion, a single onion, and this is garlic, and of course I'm gonna use some spices a little bit, and that will be it. So guys, let me know down below in the comment section, how do you make your green bananas? Yeah. as you can see, okay, this was my smoothie. This is my smoothie that I'm taking, and this is matoke. This is the green bananas, that is matoke. And then and then we have chicken. Chicken. Bon appetit, mes amis. Let's eat.